welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yasmin and I make DIY, home decor, and organization videos every single week. So IKEA releases a bunch of new products every season, and I personally like to check out their new furniture and decor pieces to see if there's anything that I can use in a future makeover project. Plus, I always love walking around IKEA and getting inspiration, and that's exactly what we're going to do in today's video. So without further ado, let's head to the store to see what's new. Let's head to the showroom, guys. Right off the bat, I'm seeing a new little love seat here. This one is Lananas for $2.50. It's really cute. It has like a little bit of a mid-century modern look with the angled legs. So if you have a small space, this would be perfect for you. And I'm spotting this little thing right here. It has wheels on it. I guess like a little storage situation. This one is called Trotten and it's $60. It's definitely very interesting and maybe for like an office. Seeing this cart over here that they've used for like plants and planters, but obviously you can keep like your craft stuff or maybe in the kitchen or in the bathroom. And it is Harnavan for only $20, so I think that's such a good deal, and it has wheels on it. I almost missed this, but they have this little ring light with a little stand for your phone, and this is only $34.99, and I cannot pronounce that, but that would be really awesome if you're a YouTuber like me, like for shooting intros, or you know, if you do TikTok or Reels. That's really cool and really affordable. Okay, in this room I am spotting this really modern looking couch. I have personally never seen it before, and it's this one right here, solder ham, for $750, and I think it's really cool for IKEA, and honestly it doesn't really look like an IKEA piece. It looks really high-end like the fabric does, and it seems pretty soft and comfortable. So if you're in the market for a modern looking couch, maybe check out IKEA. Styling is really cool. IKEA is definitely stepping up their game, and I'm seeing a very cool piece right here. It says it's a vase for $9.99, and it definitely has that like modern look that I feel like, I don't know, this gives me like H&M Home vibes, or like, I don't know, West Elm or something. And for $9.99, I don't think you can go wrong. It's very interesting, and I think I'm definitely going to pick this up if I can find it in the marketplace. And they have this little guy right here for $5.99. It's very cute, that like natural look. Here's such a cute little outdoor area set up with string lights and some vine with it, and then just like a cute little bench and some plants. I just thought the setup is like really cute with that watering can right there. Seeing a sectional here that I've never seen before. And this one is called Parip for also $7.50, and this one is also very similar to the other one with like the fabric looking a little bit more high-end, and you can easily like get more modern looking legs off of Amazon and just like easily switch them out and totally elevate the look of this sectional. But I think that's a really good price. Sure if this couch is new or this style. It's called Marabo, and they have it in a bunch of different sizes. So they have the sectional, the love seat, and they have it in fabric and leather. So if you're into this look, they have a bunch of different options. Here is another couch that I have never seen before. It's Kivik, and this size is for $5.50, and I'm seeing different fabric choices for it. And it looks like there is a deal if you're an IKEA member on this one. this interesting chair this time around. Personally, not a fan. It looks like, I don't know, it's out of a cartoon or something, but they have it. If you like it, it's here at IKEA. Spotting a few new tables. This coffee table right here. I have no idea how to pronounce that. It's $189 with a gray top, and it has that like mid-century modern legs. I'm not a fan of the gray top, but maybe it would be like a cool DIY project piece. And it looks like they have the same style in the side table right here, and that one is $119. This coffee table is also new, Asperode for $119 or $120. And it's a black metal with glass, and it has this gold detail on the leg, and I think this would look really nice in a modern space. It looks like this dining setup is new, and they have this new dining table, cowhide, for $200, and it looks like you can just lift it side and extend it. And this would be really perfect for small spaces and having the option to extend if you have people over. Here's an interesting dining table. Honestly, I'm not quite sure what style this would be, and it has this like kind of fake marble top. Meridium for $250. Seeing a new tag on this large dining table with the chairs, and it's very like Scandi. Let's check out and see what it's called. So it is Vedbo for $679. Spotting a few cool new pieces. So they have this little storage, and it's $70. And you can slide the door open and put your shoes on, and I like the way they've styled it at the bottom of the bed. And I just spotted this little light with the rattan, and I know that's like super in style now. So I'm gonna see if they have it downstairs. So I cannot pronounce this, but it's only $22. It's really cool. It's a little light, but I know this rattan is like really in style, so I might pick that up, so we'll see about that. And then I also saw this plant stand in the corner. I also can't pronounce that, but this one is $25, and it has like 3 different levels for all of those of you who love plants. I think this bed frame is new. I don't recall seeing this at IKEA before, and it's size 12 for $229 for the queen size. And I know this kind of like metal look is also very in right now, and I think that's really affordable and awesome. And it has like cool little gold details on the bottom. Looks like there's a new line of dressers. So they have the like original size, the tall one, and then this one right here. And these ones are Idana's collection. So this one is $250. The tall one is $350, and also this longer one is also $350. Seeing a few new baking items. So they have this rolling pin, and ooh, this is a cool little bread basket. And this mixing bowl, it actually is really cool. So what you can do is when you're baking and you need to pour something, it stands on its side. Super convenient. I mean, IKEA is always smart with their design. I don't bake a lot, I don't cook a lot, but this would be really cool for someone who does. Setup is really cool, and I love all like the pastel colors of pink and blue. It's very, very springy. IKEA has fun color pots and pans. They've really brought spring to life. So they have this like baby blue, and they have the pink, and they have the black, which of course is the one that I like, but it's really fun. It's really awesome. If you have like a all white kitchen, any of these would be a nice pop of color. Looks like for spring they have a bunch of new dish sets with different colors, and this is one of my favorite parts of IKEA anytime I come. Just like looking at it is very satisfying. And so they have these ones with the patterns on it, and there's this one which is my personal favorite, just like the neutral beige. Really pretty. They have the pink and the pastel blues and grays and blacks, and then there's some kind of like that sage green over here. So it's really exciting. They've kind of refreshed their color palette because they had the same ones for like the longest time, and I was seeing these throughout the showroom. They kind of give me Magnolia Hearth and Hand vibes. Like I feel like they had similar like plates and cups like that, and these are just a lot more affordable. Picture in the glassware area. It's this like deep green color. It's kind of cool. Last time I was here, it looked like they had a bunch of new duvet covers, and it looks like they have even more. This one is really cool. It's kind of like a pinky terracotta color. It's coming off weird on camera, but they have a cool bunch of new patterns. This one right here, and this duvet cover that's just like neutral linen. This one with a lot of patterns, and just a whole bunch more. I'm seeing this one right here, and this looks like a picnic basket. Well, it says storage with a box, but it'll be cool as a picnic basket. That's what it reminds me of. I'm not seeing a whole lot of new baskets and organization this time. You guys, here's that lamp that I showed you earlier on, and of course there's only one left. I don't know if I want just the one. We are in the candle and decor section, guys. Almost to the end. So it looks like they have this little vase and some wood chips for decor. Have these cute little glass vases. Super cool. This is only $2.99. I saw this one upstairs. It's actually really cool with the metal gold lid. And this one is called Gradvis $12.99. It is really awesome for like some fresh flowers, and I love that like detail at the top. Some new green vases. Green is the color of the year, so this is very, very fitting. And I really do love these like organic round shapes, and actually has a very interesting bottom. I really want it, but I don't know where I would put it. So some new little tea light holders. This one's a cute little glass one, and then they have this style in silver and brass. It's really cool. It kind of looks like a flower. I have some cool candle holders. I'd seen this before, but I just saw this upstairs, and it is so cute. And I feel like I kind of want to pick this one up. They have some other cool plant stand, and again, I'm not a plant person, but these are like really, really awesome. They have this one, and then there's this one that kind of looks like a bike, I guess. And you can put one like up there. So these are really cool, and this one is $40. You guys, my luck has struck this time around, and as this section, so I found these two Ivar cabinets. They were off for $72.25, down from $85, and they're both in really good condition. And I love these because they're Rob Hines, so I can do whatever I want, stain, paint, and I don't have to worry about taking the last finish off, and they're already built. And these are probably going to be perfect for making like a DIY buffet for a dining area. I don't know the measurements. I'm really hoping it fits in that corner. If not, we can just put them in the garage and use them as storage. I am like so excited, and I just called Steven. He's gonna come from work. He just got off, and it's super close, and we're gonna pick these up. Alright you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this IKEA walkthrough vlog and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments below what other stores you would like me to check out next. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!